यो प्रश्न हेरौं त मेरो अनुपस्थितिमा कोही आयो? Did anyone come in my absence? Did anyone come in my absence? Absence अनुपस्थिति. Did anyone come in my absence? पहिलो उत्तर हेरौं. कोही पनि आएन. No, nobody came. No, nobody came. अर्को उत्तर. केही मानिसहरू आए. Yes, a few people came. Yes, a few people came. अझै केही उत्तरहरू हेरौं त. को आयो मलाई ठ्याक्कै थाहा छैन. I don't know exactly who came. I don't know exactly who came. Exactly, ठ्याक्कै. I don't know exactly who came. मैले त ख्यालै गरिन अथवा ध्यानै दिइन. I didn't take notice. I didn't take notice. मलाई यस बारेमा थाहा छैन. I don't know about it. I don't know about it. तपाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल. तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आउनुहोस् conversation practice गरौँ. के यो काम भयो? Is this work done? Is this work done? म अझै गर्दै छु. I am still doing it. I am still doing it. यो सकिन लागेको छ अथवा समाप्त हुन लागेको छ भन्नको लागि It is about to finish. It is about to finish. अझै एक दिन लाग्ने छ. It will take one more day. It will take one more day. म तिमीलाई अहिले भन्न सक्दिन. I can't tell you now. I can't tell you now. उसको कुरा नसुन अथवा उसको कुरामा नआऊ. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. किनभने उसले जे मन लाग्यो त्यही बोल्छ. He says whatever he likes. He says whatever he likes. तिमी उसलाई कतिको विश्वास गर्छौ भनेर प्रश्न सोध्नु पर्दा How much do you believe him? How much do you believe him? Believe, विश्वास गर्नु. How much do you believe him? म उसलाई आफूभन्दा धेरै विश्वास गर्छु. I believe him more than myself. I believe him more than myself. अब यो हेरौं उत्तर. म त उसलाई पटक्कै विश्वास गर्दिन. I don't believe him at all. I don't believe him at all. अब यो अर्को उत्तर. कहिलेकाहीँ म उसलाई विश्वास गर्छु र कहिलेकाहीँ गर्दिन. Sometimes I believe him, sometimes not. Sometimes I believe him, sometimes not. अथवा sometimes I believe him, sometimes I don't. छोटो विश्राम लिऊ. Take a break. Take a break. ब्रेक भनेको भाँच्नु अथवा भाँचिनु पनि हो, तर यसरी भन्दा चाहिँ कामबाट छोटो विश्राम लिनु पनि हो. उत्तरमा अब म दिउँसो विश्राम गर्दिन. I don't take a break in the afternoon. I don't take a break in the afternoon. म दिनहुँ आफ्नो काममा व्यस्त हुन्छु. I am busy at my work every day. I am busy at my work every day. के तिमी दिउँसो सुत्छौ? Do you take a nap? Do you take a nap? प्राय दिउँसो सुतिने छोटो सुताइलाई nap भनिन्छ. Do you take a nap? म प्राय दिउँसो सुत्दिन. I don't usually take a nap. I don't usually take a nap. Take a nap भनेको चाहिँ सुत्नु, त्यो दिउँसोको छोटो सुताइ. I don't usually take a nap. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class if you haven't subscribed already. दुईटै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको जुन घण्टी छ त्यो घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नछुटाउनु होला. यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि. तिम्रो हातमा के भयो? What happened to your hand? What happened to your hand? म सिडीबाट खसे अथवा भर्याङबाट लडे. I fell down the stairs. I fell down the stairs. मेरो हातमा त केही भएको छैन. Nothing has happened to my hand. Nothing has happened to my hand. तिमी उदास देखिन्छौ, के भयो? You look sad. What happened to you? You look sad. What happened to you? पहिलो उत्तर. म परीक्षामा अनुतीर्ण अथवा फेल भएँ. I failed the exam. I failed the exam. दोस्रो उत्तर. मैले जागिर पाउन सकिन. I couldn't get a job. I couldn't get a job. तेस्रो उत्तर मेरो साथीले मसँग बोलेन. My friend did not speak to me. My friend did not speak to me. ऊ रोइरहेको थियो त्यसैले मलाई नराम्रो लाग्यो. He was crying, so I felt bad. He was crying, so I felt bad. तिमी आज धेरै खुसी देखिन्छौ. You look so happy today. You look so happy today. उत्तर मैले त नयाँ जागिर पाएँ. I got a new job. I got a new job. अब मेरो भिसा अप्रुभ अथवा स्वीकृत भयो भन्नलाई My visa was approved. My visa was approved. म अमेरिका जाँदैछु. I am going to the USA. I am going to the USA. मैले प्रथम पुरस्कार पाएँ. I got the first prize. I got the first prize. यो कुरा कसैलाई नभन्नु नि है. Don't tell this to anyone. Don't tell this to anyone. म कसैलाई भन्दिन. I will not tell anyone. I will not tell anyone. Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. तिमी मलाई विश्वास गर्न सक्छौ. You can trust me. You can trust me. तिमी भरोसा योग्य छौ. You are trustworthy. You are trustworthy. यो प्रश्न हेरौँ त. के तपाई मानिसहरूको अगाडि अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you speak English in front of people? Can you speak English in front of people? In front of people भनेको मानिसहरूको अगाडि. Can you speak English in front of people? म मानिसहरूको अगाडि अंग्रेजी बोल्न चाहन्छु त्यसैले म सिक्दै छु. I want to speak English in front of people. That's why I am learning. अलि बिस्तारै भन्छु. I want to speak English in front of people. That's why I am learning. I want to speak English in front of people. That's why I am learning. म अलि-अलि अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्छु. I can speak English a little bit. I can speak English a little bit. हिजो आज मेरो अंग्रेजीमा सुधार भइरहेको छ. Nowadays, my English is improving. Nowadays, my English is improving. Improving भनेको सुधार हुँदै गरेको अथवा भइरहेको. Nowadays, my English is improving. म नियमित रूपमा हाम्रो अंग्रेजी गुरु अथवा हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु हेर्ने गर्छु. I watch Hamro English Guru regularly. I watch Hamro English Guru regularly. ल हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल हेर्न कहिले नछोड्नुहोला अंग्रेजीलाई आफ्नो वशमा ल्याउनको लागि. आजलाई यति नै. Take care. Have a great day.